Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack lezi indaba zala South Africa. Izobuqhophololo. I was just like that summit that they had, right? The police summit. I hope bonke lawo maphoyisa azohamba eNanda or KZN for that matter, because there's a lot of ubuqhophololo. They even told us about the regions that has a lot of upgiving and crime happening. Abahambi baye lezo indawo bame lapho. That's what must happen now. People must be protected. Phela eNanda you can't walk anymore. Remember I said on the other video, you can't even walk around you walk it. Uvele usukelwa abantu who like bona umsebenzi wabo ukuhlukumeza abanye abantu. Crazy things are those things. Bese kuzoba uBushiri nangesekhala ukhalela ini, he's crying for his plane that was actually sold, private jet actually to be exact, that was sold by NPA. Uthi NPA busy yamsukela ini. Guys, ngeke uzube ne-private jet ka-50 million lo wawuyintshontshile imali zobuqhophololo that you took from people at church, busy lying to them. Uthi bekwa lo 1 million yakho we-pension fund, you'll be richer than the 1 million. Guys, like kodwa Nkosi, I hope sekuphelile. It has stopped. And someone was even saying izolo, yazi ngiyabona ku-TikTok abantu. I was like, I'm not on TikTok yet. Sengizoba ku-TikTok because TikTok manje minister ithe izokhokha. I wasn't on TikTok phela mina, because I was just like, mina TikTok, if YouTube took me 2 years to 3 years to pay me, why would I be on TikTok when I'm not gonna be paid? Hey, ngifake i-app ngiyicime. Remember I said yesterday ngathi ngiyayifaka ngikhiphe futhi i-app yakhona only today ke Saturday ngizoyifaka i-app ngiqale ngamavideo ami, because i-minister ithi batshelile ka-TikTok ukuthi nizobakhokhela ama-South Africans ngoba amaphiyano ngaba ngiwazi if it wasn't for the South Africans. And njengoba you-17 million on TikTok, you're gonna have to pay them. Uthi, I told them straight, Uthi, he started in Davos in Switzerland telling them ukuthi you are going to pay them. Ngiyantshela, I'm telling you, that's exactly what you're going to do, ngoba they are the biggest supporters from African countries. We are like the best. That's saying I'm inside those payments. I'm just about to do TikTok, because my thing is that also with TikTok, I think they're gonna do like YouTube, where they pay you, the day they start paying you, that's the day they will count your monetization. So I was just like, it's fine. Ama video last available ngeke bawabale bazobala from le ngizoyenza today. I was like, okay, that's exactly what I'll do now. So, and then he's coming up with stories now ukuthi kubo, before he was extradited to South Africa. Now remember for years esehambile kubo kwathiwa no uzobuya extradition bayenze imali bathi mina ngomthathe nangithi vele uqhophololo wayebenzele in South Africa and you guys left him to do this. Like these people, guys, exactly like how you see uMontos usuka le kini ucabanga ukuthi thina asimazi uNkulunkulu sasingathunte before you came, and then you come and lie to us. It's the same as uMontos. Phela uMontos nazo ingane uyingene kanjalo. I was still saying about TikTok. That's how I came to the stories of TikTok. Someone was saying ukuthi hey, ningalibele nikhuluma izinto la ku-TikTok eziphathelene no religion, khona abantu abahlekisa ngayo yonke leyo nto leyo ku-TikTok. No, that's not what I'm doing mina. Remember mina I said ukuthi sometimes it's not easy vele ukukhuluma nge-politics and religion on inkundla zokuhlangana i-social media. It becomes a bit difficult, but mina what I normally do, I respect izinto zabantu, I respect amadlozi abantu, also respect the politics basically asibe kanjalo. I respect futhi i-religion zabantu. Angikhambe nje ngikhuluma kabi ngelezo zinto. I'm just nje ngikhuluma ngalabantu abawu-2 uMontoso benoBushiri, how they came here and became these people to us. My thing is that what makes you think uma usuka kwi-country yakho mina angithandazi uzongitshela how I must pray and how I must do my things, uphinde lapho ungithathele imali yami, udle imali yami, ungiqambela namanga. Why? And brainwash me like how the Omotoso people who were standing outside, who were supporting him, he brainwashed them. Abezona kuphela labo bantu. Khona wake wama ngaphandle last year during the sessions, the trial inside court, wathi omunye umama nalabo futhi ababophisa omotoso bazojeza. Why? Fanele bajeze ukuthi ukhohlakele omotoso. Wena just you can't see right through omotoso. That's why you're saying those things. I was just like, I was this ukhuluma ngani? Wathi man of God. Nangoku man of God. Lo baba lo waseMalawi useqamba amanga futhi manje usethi in Malawi bathe akenzile lutho yena. Wonke ama-charges ayi-dropped. Guys, like lo baba lo, why is he playing with us? Mamthatheleleke ibhanoyi lakhe uyalifuna manje ulifuna kuthina futhi i-NPA ithathile futhi vele izolidayisa futhi vele imali yala eSouth Africa. So like how is this gonna work? Someone was just saying ukuthi uBushiri uyathanda ukusho izinto ezi-inaccurate. No, uBushiri is a liar. Unamanga. Yazi kunentombazane eyagcina isiboshwa noBushiri to this day. Uma uqala nje ukhuluma ngalelo gama vele ithi yazi ngicela ukuthi ungiyeka mina ngalowo muntu. Ngobani? He lied to them. Phela uBushiri had ney'nceku zakhe that worked with him. Some of them were actually arrested, those people. More than how you see with Omotos. Uyabona ukuthi uBushiri wamosha impilo enganani ngalamanga akhe. Khona some stage awuzakho umfana omncane ongaka uBushiri azoqamba amanga. Abantu bambelieve. I remember someone in 2016 asambe sekulelo sonto. I was like, ubani? Wena, mina nginesonto ngiyasonta. Mina, it's enough for me. You remember guys, I even said like, sikhule sisontela kahle thina. Kwenye ivideo ngishilo last week. Sikhule sisontela kahle thina. Sisontela komaRomani ethu, koMethodist ethu. Kunanga umuntu waqhamuka like baqhamuka abantu. And it doesn't matter ukuthi usontaphi. Sengenza nje example ukuthi that's how it was when we were growing up. It doesn't matter usontaphi. But ngicela ngiyeka mina. Kamtshela usisters ngo-26 ngathi uba ngisuke la eGoli mina ngihambe ngePitoli esontweni lo baba lo. In some ground kulinye ground lapho. Ngathi no, ngigrand, right. I don't even want to dwell on that because mina like I said mina ngithanda vele ukukhuluma ngale zinto ezikanje. But at the same time nangumuntu manje usethi NPA ufuna ibhanoyi lakhe ku-NPA uyolithathaphi? Adla imali engaka zabantu. Lo muntu lo weqeda imali. Futhi yabona uMotoso doesn't come kakhulu ukuthi wathatha imali kabani bani wenzani. uMotoso nje wayeyithathela lezo imali esontweni zama-tithe and other things. Lo yes, so vele let's 1 million. Even there's a singer also athatha almost 1 million yaleyo singer. But actually over 1 million in fact. Yayikhala la ngo-2023 ngiyambonga lowo baba. Bushiri. He is such a liar, uBushiri athi ene ama-charges akhe ase-reduced to 3. To 3 from 13. Like why would you do that? Not even a single one. Fanele uphendule from lo 13. Now wenza futhi money laundering lo. No racketeering. Those are his things. No kopololo. Kulapho kule 13 engiyibalayo. The minute he said to the congregation, uBushiri no nansi forex ifaka nama-million enu sizoba rixoba abahumi, we going to be rich. Bayifaka abantu imali bayifake imali. Waqala kanjalo phela. Waqala kanjalo brothers. Bafaka amantu 500,000 noma abanye ama-pension fund guys. That's like so crazy. Hey, those are crazy things. Bafaka abantu imali. Bhuti wakho, it's an act of God in. Nasi statement ekade ngisifunda la siyasho. Just I had to shorten it just to explain to you stories kaBushiri ukuthi who is a scabbing of actually a guluva of a skeleton. In fact, this guy. Athi uBushiri and the police officers that arrested him, usho SAPS ke kulo mzuzu SAPS uthi uma ingithatha ingivalele. It's the same as uThabo Bester. Khumbula uThabo Bester bemthatha eTanzania. Wathi bamthathela u3 million worth of things. Ama Rolex akhe, ama computer, ama laptop, iPhones actually for that matter. A lot of things. Hayibo. Nalona ke uthi ke South African police officers, they took my 12 million rands and busy mina bethi and busy money laundering and all those charges in Malawi were dismissed. Amanga alo baba guys are beyond me. He went on to say, yeah, bayithatha futhi leyo mali, they actually extorted me that money, bayithatha imali yami. Hey, story of ey'nganekwane. Wathi uBushiri yena amaphoyisa la akhohlakele kabi, ayithatha imali yakhe. Kuyona imali yakhe. UBushiri wasesemalini kanjani kazi zabantu? Akuyona na imali. It's the same as uThabo Best. Imani from where? Wawuyisebenzeni? About these two people. This is why I keep on making an example between them. And nabo bawuthi babanjwa sebebanjwa kwamanye ama-country. Simuntu esebalekile. Lona-ke was deported at first, Kuthiwa wena awuhambe ubuyele kini imali yakho. Like I said, njengo-Omotoso, ukuthi umuntu akabuyele kubo. And uze washo omunye ekhuluma indaba ka-Omotoso ukuthi kuzobe sekuthiwa futhi si-xenophobic. And we actually not. Sihleli nabo la, uyazi bangakanani. But umuntu uyahlupha nje. Wazela ukuzohlupha nje na. So kuthiwa futhi buyela kini njengoba sebuyiswa manje ngoba kubo bamxoshile bathe imali yakho awuhambe wena. Ubuyele eSouth Africa and go and answer. Usethi manje imali yakho nje bangithanda kabi mina. In fact imali yakho they welcomed me. It's my country mos. Uyabona ukuthi how is it going on? And then he comes and lies. Bamthathela 12 million ini guys. Imali zabantu lezi ingaka wayahamba nazo wayiqeda man of God. Ngeke wrong. Athi subscribe imbopha babe concentrate kuma assets and the stuff that he has in his private jet and his cars. Uyakhumbula imoto zakhe ngithi lo muntu oyinemoto he actually bought a Maserati for his daughter. I think the daughter was like 6 now at the time, or 3. Guys, I was like, awangeke. 3-year-old? Why? Yeah, at the time, gay. I came out Bushiri, guys. He had all the cars. He even had a Lamborghini. You see it, I don't know after how long. Even here in Johannesburg, you don't see that car. Unless you are in Sandton, gay. Train or a Sandton City. You will see it. I see that. I see those cars there, me. Manglul. I'm just like, what? There's that Lamborghini. But J, it's not the type of car that you'll see. SUV, actually, that's what they go. You came dying and I learn. That's all. Also, he can't believe all of that is gone. It's just like, what happened? What did I do wrong? Even the SUV Bentley wayenayo. And that car, guys, you can order it for months before it comes, except for Usomizi. Usomizi bought it second hand. That SUV ye Bentley. That car that doesn't come. How you go to today and then you come back with it? Never. You have to order it for months on end. But so push baby banazo into it's okay. How is this even possible in my own country? Kwenzakalani? Oh, Bushiri. Usethi manje futhi yena he doesn't care. He doesn't care ukuthi bayithathile naleyo plane. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't move him. It doesn't do anything. Hey, asinandaba. Wena just jabula South Africa. And ngingazibuza ukuthi is he in jail? Uphi? Like ukuyibone le onto. Ufuna ukuthi engabe uphi? Akazama ubunye uqhophololo la. Someone was even saying about 2017. No, the problem yakhe yazini is this sweet. Lo limi lakhe olushelelayo. Ilona olumncedayo ukuthi enze lo buqhophololo. Was just like who is even listening to this person? Umuntu namanga kanje, umuntu ongekho right kanje. Othi mayikhuluma yonke into yakhe inemali. Nalabantu ayebawise esontweni. Abesithi badinga impumelelo elifini. Ngithi mina yibo. Bayewela laba bantu. Lo usile uBushiri, guys. Usile. He must just face his county. Kubonakala ukuthi kuphunywa kanjani. Abawusho some more or aphinda deport abile ekhaya uboshelwa khona. Mina that's just my thing. I don't know what is your take, guys. You must just let me know what you think about uBushiri.